If I had to give you 3 tips on buying land in Jamaica, that will be number 1, have a plan. Have a plan of what is it that you want to do with the land. Do you want to farm? Do you want to build? Do you want to go into tourism industry? Have a plan, and this way you will know where to start looking, which leads me to tip number 2. Get on the road. Get adventurous, start searching, start looking around. You can also go through realtors, but to me it's more effective to be out there. If you are overseas, book a trip to Jamaica, you can drive around, you can even meet with realtors, you can meet with people and take it from there. Number 3, cover your bases. Cover your bases by going to e-land agency or going to the Jamaican government agencies to confirm that yes, this person is the owner of the land. Yes, this is the size of the land by doing a survey report. Yes, this is the title for this land, and yes, this is the owner, the previous owner, and yes, I can be the new owner of this land. And also by getting a reputable lawyer to process all your paperwork and legalize everything. Buying land in Jamaica is not as hard as it seems. Thank you all so much for watching. Mucha love.